Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a very important issue on the Right to Information Act, in which the question arises whether a third party can ask the documents from the income tax department from about a particular assessee, and what is the procedure which is to be followed by the income tax department to part away this information to the information seeker. This issue has been taken by Delhi High Court in the case of CPIO, Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax Exemption versus Grish Mittal. This case has been reported in 464 ITR at page number 672, and the date of the judgment is 22nd January 2024. The case is very interesting. In this case, the information seeker, that is Grish Mittal, made an RTI seeking the information about the PM CARES fund. In this case, Grish Mittal wants to seek various documents from the income tax department regarding the documents which have been filed by PM CARES fund for applying the registration under the Income Tax Act and the copy of the note sheet. When this RTI was made, the officer declined to give this information by saying that this information comes under the exempt category under section 8 subsection 1 clause J. The information seeker filed further appeal, and in the further appeal, the Central Information Commission, that is CIC, gave its order to the Central Public Information Officer to give this information to Grish Mittal, that was the information seeker. It was ordered by Central Information Commission that all the documents related to the registration of the PM CARES fund into the Income Tax Act and the copy of the note sheet should be provided. When this order was made, the department appealed in Delhi High Court, and Delhi High Court said that in the present case, section 138 of the Income Tax Act should be seen. Section 138 talks about disclosure of information respecting assessees. Delhi High Court said that section 138 subsection 1 clause B and section 2 of the Income Tax Act overrides section 22 of the Right to Information Act. Delhi High Court also said that when there is a special act, then that special act should override the General Act. Delhi High Court also said that in giving the information, the main concept is that the Principal Commissioner of Income Tax and Chief Commissioner of Income Tax or Principal CIT or CIT has the prerogative to decide whether this information is to be given as per the RTI Act or not, and Delhi High Court said that this satisfaction cannot be abrogated. Delhi High Court said that in the present case, since the information sought is related to the third party, so section 11 of the RTI Act comes into play, which says that if any information related to the third party is sought, then it is obligatory on the person from whom this information is sought that he has to write to that third person that this information has been asked about you by an information seeker, and if his consent is given, only then the Income Tax Department can give this information. So a plain order by the Central Information Commission to part away this information with the RTI activist, which is Grish Mittal in the present case, cannot be given to him without the permission of the PM CARES fund. So friends, from this case it can be safely derived that we cannot seek the information from the Income Tax Department about a third person, and if the Income Tax Department gives you this information, then he can give this information only getting approval from that third person that whether this information can be divulged by the income tax department or not. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is CPIO, Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax Exemption versus Grish Mittal, and this case has been reported in 464 ITR at page number 672, and the matter has been decided by Delhi High Court, and the date of the judgment is 22nd January 2024.